Y'all going to Mexico? Oh, darn, you got in the wrong line.
Well, go rubber so I can turn around.
So we are here in Mexico and have never seen it this crowded.
We're not in Mexico.
Well, we're not in Mexico yet. We're headed to Mexico. We have never seen it this crowded. All the times that we have come here, we had to
get here earlier.
Yeah, we had to park way out there, and people are parking crazy. Look at that guy parked there. And there's just tons and tons and tons and tons of traffic. It's going to be an interesting day. Okay, pretty soon I have to quit filming because they'll tell me, no filming at the border. We're back at our favorite place to eat. We made a beeline for this place.
This guy is clearly an expert.
Señor, ¿cómo se llama?
Giovanni,
Giovanni.
you are the best tacos en algodones.
Es cierto.
Yeah.
Es verdad.
Yeah.
Es verdad. We're all just filming here. Love you guys. And Rob's behind us.
This is for somebody else. This one is for somebody else, okay?
Yes, we won't eat it, I promise.
We're not taking bites. But
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, sir. See you soon.
Dear Vicky, happy birthday to you. Right, we're here at Northwest Optical. I bought these BB glasses, designer glasses last year, and I love them. But Janice says she won't go out in public with me if I wear them. And that's her behind the camera laughing. So we came back here, and I'm going to get them made into just sunglasses. And Dr. Erin has already marked them. And shoot, tell me your name again. Virginia. She helps me every time I come here. I love this place. And anyway, so I'm getting them made into regular sunglasses so that Jenna will go out in public with me wearing them. Okay, Dr. Erin, thank you so much.
Have a great day.
We'll see you soon.
find a place to hang it, my tray.
Señor, ¿cómo se llama?
Marlon? Marlon?
Marlon.
Marlon Brando.
Marlon Brando. Mucho gusto, Marlon.
Mucho gusto.
Gracias. Señor, ¿cómo se llama usted?
Mi nombre es Israel. Israel.
Israel.
My nickname es el Ochipo.
Chipo. Mucho gusto. So you're using cardboard, and that's called what? What do you call it?
Mexican paintbrush.
Your Mexican paintbrush. That's so awesome. Painting cactus.
I know he's pretty busy. Thank you again.
September 17th is the day Jen and I started traveling together.
There we go. Look at that.
That is beautiful.
Woo! That is beautiful.
Alright, let me hold on. Let me just
Okay.
show you.
Whoa.
The barbecue's ready.
And then hold it up here for me, please.
Yes.
That is beautiful. Thank you both. Thank you.
Okay. And that was that.
And that was that. Just like that.
Just like that.
Fixed. All of them.
All of them.
All of them.
Thank you.
And done the way it should be done.
Yes.
We're here, right?
Yes. Look how pretty it is.
Perfecto.
Perfecto.
That'll last forever.
Forever.
So this is the bathroom area behind me, and the doors won't stay shut. So patrons are holding it for each other, but we are going out there to eat. Okay, I know I'm nuts, but I am buying the little guy. Just too stinking cute. We have never been here when the line has been this long. Jana says she has.
That's the bathroom?
Yeah. But there is no end to the line, as far as we can see, to get back out. I'll follow you. We'll see how long it takes. I'm just going to let y'all watch.
Why are you looking at me like they're gonna let you? They're not gonna let you.
Jana, I'm going to go back out on the street. I can't handle the crowd. Yeah, never been here when it's been this long. I cannot see an end to the line. We may be here until after dark. No joke. It's probably going to be a 2, 3, maybe 4 hour long line. Crazier than crap. If we didn't have dogs back at the RV, I'd get a hotel room. And I'm not kidding. Nope. No end to the line yet. We're working on it. These people had to pull way over by the rail. Can y'all see the end of the line yet? I can't. We'll see what happens. Okay, going back up into the crowd. We'll see what happens. You guys, this may be a 4-hour line. Who are you? Do you mind being on camera? I can turn it off if you don't want to be. And who are you?
You don't know me. I'm BJ. I'm a follower, and I saw you at Quartzsite.
Cool. BJ, it's so nice to meet you. I'm sorry we're going to be about 10 hours behind you.
This is like 3 hour wait.
It's nice to meet you, sweetheart.
There used to be bathrooms and they're closed now.
Yeah. Nice. He's not impressed with the line, I can tell.
Yeah, it's gonna be a long wait.
It's nice to meet you. All right, here we go. Let's see how far down we can go.
Hotel, you see to the right?
Yeah? Hey, do that again. Love y'all shirts. All right, so we will, I swear, if we didn't have dogs back in the RV, we would get a hotel room. No joke. No joke.
This is a 3 hour wait.
Oh, it's beyond that. We haven't even gotten.
Oh my God.
Yeah. We haven't even gotten to the end yet. So maybe 5, I'm guessing. Or maybe a 5-hour wait. How long have y'all been in line? 6 hours or 6 days?
Okay, I've never been this far back.
Did you bring your tent?
Did we bring our tent? We should have.
Sign right there that says hotel. I might be going there.
There you go.
Yeah. It's like hotel.
Oh,
Holy crap.
here we go. We have never, ever even seen.
Well, there's not a bathroom.
And look at this line for the cars to get out. Never even seen that line back this far. And Jenna's concerned about the El Baño.
Well, because there used to be one right there in the middle.
I know, and they closed it off. Holy crap.
Where'd that quarter go?
How much are you giving him?
All my quarters.